Hey everyone, this is Faith here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be speaking to you about several items that I purchased from Sephora. Okay, so the first item that I have for you is the Stila 3D Dazzle Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow set. I thought this was a good deal at Sephora, so I purchased this. They are selling out fast. I originally intended to purchase the Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. However, I didn't read very carefully and I purchased a 3D Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow set. So I think there's like the two shades that come along with Kitten Karma are a little bit different, but that's the only difference. And so I'm happy. Let's just go ahead and swatch this to see what it looks like. This is the first time that I'm opening this for you guys. So this is what the inner packaging looks like. And I'm going to start off with the first one, which is right here, and that is called Golden Girl. Okay, so these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I could probably fit these in my purse, and they're so cute. There I go, swatching this for you. Golden Girl. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh, and this is perfect for the holidays. So it has that glitter to it, that gold, and that's blending in really well. So it might be even clear with glitter, but we'll see. Okay, so that was the shade Golden Girl. I hope I'm holding it right for you. And that's what it looks like, and that's a swatch for Golden Girl. So the next one that I have here is called Perlina, and this one looks like that it's clear almost with white pearlescent glitter. I'm swatching that now, so let's see what that looks like. And there's, I don't know if you can notice, but there's sort of purple and silver glitter in that, in Perlina. So that was Perlina, and there it is. I hope you can see that. It's really bright. And now the third shade from the set of 3 is the one that I wanted. I'm so glad I actually got this now. I'm kind of satisfied with at least 2 of them, I think. Okay, so this is, I'm swatching Kitten Karma now. Okay, so this one has a more darker color to it. So there's like a base that's darker and then it has glitter. So as you can see, it's really nice. I think that would look great as eyeshadow. So the other ones I might, so there's all 3. So that one was Golden Girl. I really, really like Golden Girl. This was Perlina. I think I could make that work as well. And then this is the one that I originally wanted, which is Kitten Karma. I hope you can see that. Okay, and there it is. Okay, you guys, I wanted to mention the price point. So for this Stila 3D Dazzle Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow set, the price is $33, and those are Canadian dollars. However, I think Sephora markets these as a $47 value. And actually, when I went to look for the individual one, those just, and of course those are larger sizes, but an individual one is like $31. So in my opinion, this is a really good value for $33 Canadian. You're getting 3 different colors. And again, this is like eye makeup, so eye makeup tends to expire faster, and they have like that shelf life that people talk about for like 3 months. So in my opinion, this is a great value. It's a mini size and it's perfect for the like on the go, and the colors are beautiful. So in my opinion, this was really worth the price. Okay, you guys, I am so excited to show you the next item, which is this Tarte High Performance Naturals Goal Getters Contour Brush Set. The colors at the top, they're sort of an ombre pink. So as soon as I saw this, I didn't see it in person, but I saw it online, and I thought, oh my goodness, and then it sold out, and then I had to wait for it, and so, but I got it. Finally, I got my hands on it. I'm opening this up for you. This is the first time I'm opening this. I'm surprised it's so simple packaging. I would have expected some plastic over it, but that's okay. No harm done. So let's look at what each of these are. So it says, doesn't really say anything on this, so I guess we're sort of supposed to figure out which which one's which. There's no label on them to say powder. In fact, the only label that's on these brushes is the Tarte logo, which is right there. So this is I think the largest brush, and as you can see, compared to the other ones, it's really big and fluffy. The hairs are really soft, and it looks really dense. I think it's the packaging sort of bent it, so it's not completely circular, but I imagine that's what it's going to look like upon use. The second, well, so I think that was a large powder brush. I'm trying to figure out one of these. So there's two other sizes, and I think one of these is at an angle. This might be the blush brush, and then this is the contour, and then the last brush I think is for smaller areas, like perhaps under the eye and perhaps around the nose area. So these are all the brushes. I believe there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what they look like, and I really like the glitter, but I think the glitter is like coming off on my hands. For this Tarte limited edition brush set, the price point is, I believe, $58, and those are Canadian dollars. Okay, so the final item that I have for you is another brush set, and this one's the Too Faced Christmas Dreams Essential Cruelty Free brush set, and the packaging looks really nice. You flip it over, and then it has this sort of the labels, and this one describes them. So this one says it has a powder brush, then there's a blending brush, a blush brush, a crease brush, and then a liner brush, and then it comes with a very nice makeup bag. Okay, so I'm just going to open this up for you to show you what it looks like. So that is the pouch. There's nothing else inside this box, and I guess what does it say? It says Too Faced I Dream in Makeup, and it has all these little stars all over it, which I really like. I really like the color of this. It has an inner packaging, and oopsie, I think I just dropped something, but and then these brushes also have this extra packaging for the large blush brush and the powder brush. I'm going to pop off that plastic, and then this really nice silicone cover. This is what the brush looks like, and it has a label on it, Too Faced right. So the second one is right here. Again, I have to remove this packaging from the bottom, and then remove this silicone cover. Okay, so this is the blush brush, and I'm just comparing this to the powder brush, and again, these are not they're not as dense as I expected. They're sort of like flatter. So that's the blending brush. And this is the crease brush. It's much smaller than any brushes that I've had. Usually I purchase pencil type of crease brushes, so this one's a little bit fluffier, and it's slightly bigger than the blending brush. So the blending brush is sort of typical size. And then the last one here is the eyeliner brush, and that's really thin and flat and at an angle. So there you have it. Here are all these brushes together. Okay, so for this Too Faced Christmas Dreams gift set, which consists of those 5 brushes and that clutch, that beautiful clutch, I believe the price point is $52. Now, this is marketed as a 5-piece set. However, as you can see, there's actually 5 plus 1, which is the clutch. So in my opinion, this is a 6-piece set. I'm not sure why it's marketed as a 5-piece set on Sephora, but and its price point is slightly lower than the Tarte brush set, which is and so this is a $52 value, which is Canadian dollars. However, the Tarte brush set, which is also 5 brushes, that was like a $58 value. That was limited edition, and I think these are also limited edition. So I don't know. Some people don't like these, but this one's growing on me, and I've asked people their opinion about these brushes, and they like them actually. And they're also, the handles are very smooth, unlike the Tarte ones where the glitter is actually rough and the glitter is actually coming off. So in my opinion, this is really well made. It has even the labels on the actual box and not on the actual brushes, but still, that's really nice. It sort of explains which, for a gift, it explains how to use the brushes. Even though the color is slightly more lighter in pink than I wanted, but it comes with this nice bag. So in my opinion, this is really a good value. Okay everyone, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.